In this video, I'll show you how to create Discord channel. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if you've logged in on your Discord or to your Discord, what we're going to do now for us to be able to create a Discord channel, you're going to click here, right? Once I've clicked here, you'll see this create channel option. So you're going to click on it. Once I've clicked on it, you can name this channel anything, right? So I can name this channel, let's say how to tutorials, right? So this basically a channel. I'm creating a channel right now. So once you're done, you're going to click on this create channel, right? So you can see right here, I've just created a channel here on this our Discord server. So you can see it how to tutorials, right? You can still come on here and type, let's say hey, right? So this is basically how you can create Discord channel. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next